guys, Moz here for Moz6510 Models, a channel dedicated to help you become a better scale modeler. Kit review time, and I have in my possession this 1:48 scale Hawker Sea Fury FB.11 export. This was released in 2018 as a new tool by Airfix and has now progressed onto this one where it came with a new box art and fresh decals. Looking at the box, some fantastic graphics there, some lovely box art there, and it does say on the front here, August 30th, 1955, an unmanned, out-of-control civilian Oyster aircraft careered over the New South Wales coast. When jet intercepts failed it, it was left to the Sea Furies of 805 Squadron RAM to bring the Oyster down, crashing into the sea. And that is what the picture shows on the front of the box. So on the side we have a warning label. The code for this is A06106 Hawker Sea Fury FB.11 export. The decals are made by Cartograph. On the side of the box you can see it comes up with the length of it is 231 millimeters, width 244 millimeters, and there's 123 pieces inside the box. You have three schemes you can go by. You can have the 805 Squadron, Royal Australian Navy, the 803 Naval Air Squadron, Royal Canadian Navy, and the Fokker-built Hawker Sea Fury Mark 51, and some information there about it. The colours you will need are 24, 26, 33, 53, 56, 74 and 85, 86, 90, 123 and 135. If you're doing the Hawker Sea Fury, you will need 11, 132, 155, and if you're doing the sea, you will also need number 18. So there's quite a few colours needed to build this kit. So 2 flying hours because it is an expensive kit. We shall have a look now and open the box. So let's have a quick look at the instructions. You have a colour call out on the back of it. It gives you a detail of the common stencil data. There's quite a lot there to put in. Quite a lot indeed. There's a lot of decals for this kit, so there's a good call out there for you on that one. Let's have a look at the instructions. Some bump in the front there about how it was developed towards the end of the Second World War. Its speed 460 miles per hour. It had a 700-mile range. Let's have a look inside. I always find that Airfix have really come through when it comes to doing the instruction manual on how to build it, the build plans. They are phenomenal. So basically you start off obviously by building up the cockpit sort of area, the seat, the dash, everything else going through. Some nice detail there on some other instruments panel. You then mount the cockpit section into one side of the fuselage, and then you're putting all these pieces in for the wings. Bolt the fuselage together, part there for the landing gear at the back. Good detail there on how to fit it. So you need to fit them so that they're in line with the edge, not at a skew width sort of angle, all the way through, and building up the gear doors, the gear compartment there, going all the way through there. And you start building the front for the engine, everything going in nicely, nice details, the angle of the ailerons at the back, just going through it all bit by bit. Build the model with extended wings. You follow steps 27 to 34. To build model with folded wings, miss out these steps and follow 35 to 80. So depending on which way you go, if you want the wings extended, you follow these steps here. It does get a bit complicated when you see these instruction manuals and you're moving on through. Oh, that's a bit funny, isn't it? It's got I don't think it's stapled properly on this one. Nah, see, looks like it's an added extra, doesn't it? Looks like they've added that in. So anyway, start on with the 43 now, and putting in all the gearing on the back, down through, then put your landing legs on, keep going on through, then you all the way down there, put your tyres on. I think they're 2 parts, so nice and easy. Fit them on, and it's showing you face on. You can see how it looks. Propeller then goes on, tanks, Keep it on going down through. You've got all this you can add. You don't have to add all this, but you can do. Then you've got your glass to go in. Then you put your canopy on, and then it turns to all your call outs here. So this one is the Royal Australian Navy, aircraft flown by Lieutenant John Blewett. So if you want to do the ones on the box art, it's this one here, and these are all the colours. So 11 silver, 24 matte yellow, 33 matte black, 53 gunmetal. Then you do a bit of a mix with the matte beige and the green satin varnish. So it's approximately sky. Then 123 satin extra dark sea grey, 132 satin red, and 155 matte olive drab. So there's the 8 colours that you need for this one. On this one here, there's the 5 colours here, 24, 33, 53, the same roughly as that of the last one. And then we've already done the back here, which is the gloss orange for the front, which is mostly different. And that's the instructions for this kit. It does come in one bag, unfortunately. Be prepared for a little bit of rubbing. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sprues. So we'll start from the bottom and work up. Start here, as I say, it's a 1 to 48 scale kit. So you've got a nice size of plane. Lovely recessed panel lines there. Some lovely little bit of riveting around the edge. You can feel the riveting. They're quite raised. As I say, it's a new kit. It's only 2 years old, so there's hardly any flash. And all this you won't see inside anyway, where the needle marks are. Nice bit of detail there on the engine there. You can just see some nice markings there along the side here. You've got really nice. These are raised. Okay, just moving on through. These are rivets there, so it's all rivets. Very nice, very nice indeed. Moving on to your sections, again you can see some nice detail, nice finish on the top here. Just bringing it up closer so you can see the detail. All right, on this one, location pins there. It should be a nice, easy kit to go together. Hopefully, it's a nice fit. Sprue is frame C. Again, some tanks there. Part of the cockpit there. I've just noticed, if you can see the tyres there, they're actually flat at the bottom. Nice, they're flat, so that when the gear's down, there's some nice flat spots there. Nice little touch that. Very nice indeed. Again, some really crisp detail. Then we get to the smaller stuff. So you've got quite a big propeller on this one. Nice detail on the nose cone. Just looking, there's no gaps or no dips or anything on the propeller. You can look at the detail. Can you see that detail there? It's very good detail indeed. Look at that. All little all like drilled out almost, like, you know. Very nice. So that's frame E, and then the final frame, more of the cockpit in here. Some nice detail here. More of your bombs there. Part of the gear in there, I think. And there's your instrument panel there. So there's your sprues. And so just look at the canopy. The glass looks really crisp, really good. You got 2 pieces, and you have your wing lights, etc. Very crisp. Yes, a very nice piece of glass. Decals in the bottom of the box here. Hard to get them out. Again, you can't fault cartograph. They have really upped their game. Airfix have, by using these. Very nice, very crisp. No fading, and it does seem that the decals are actually under the film. There's no missing parts, or it's been printed off to the side. It's very good. So these are all your common ones here, and there's some really tiny ones there. I'm hoping this will work. So if I go to the camera here in close, you can actually see these are proper words as well. You see that? Using a loop, you can see that they've definitely, it's very tiny writing. Whoops, put that back on the camera lens there. So yeah, you have got some really crisp detail there, and it's not just little lines, it's proper words. Very good indeed. So there you are, the 1 to 48 scale Hawker Sea Fury FB.11 export. Available now. The code for it is A06106, and you can get it from all the major hobby shops, and it is available from Airfix. There will be a link in the description down below. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and you will be notified of any new video. And if you've got any questions or any thoughts, put them in the comments box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.